welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Last August 15th, in the burg of Marmorito Santa Maria de Aramengo, Asti, his place of origin, and afternoon was held dedicated to cleric Giovanni Masaglia, May 1st, 1838 to May 20th, 1856. Witness of the fate, pupil of St. John Bosco and friend of St. Dominic Savio. The event, held in the Church of Our Lady of the Snows, was enhanced by the presence and intervention of Father Giovanni Rolandi, SDB, rector of Colle Don Bosco, and organized and sponsored by the parish of St. Anthony, abbot of Aramengo, represented by Pastor Father Giovanni Velata, assisted by local historian Pepe Moiso, and the municipality of Aramengo, represented by Mayor Giuseppe Marchese, communities that have safeguarded and handed down to this day the reputation of sanctity of Giovanni Masaglia. Obviously, the heart of the local tradition consists of the memories of the Masaglia family, represented by sisters Angela and Maria Teresa Masaglia, which at the level of private historical archives curates his school materials and relics. The 15th Jakove Grani Festival of Małopolska, August 15 to 17, which took place under the patronage of the President of Oswiecim and the Małopolska Voivodeship, concluded on August 17, 2022. During the 4-day celebration, in addition to the tent patrons run for children and adults, called in Polish Biega Jes Bosko, a town game in Polish Gra Miejska, and a children's multi-competition, there were also splendid concerts in which the following performed: Gabriela Blacha, the band Cuckoo, Roman Marcheski, Big Band and Statura, Miraki Trio, accompanied on stage by the dancing and singing Oratorian youth and also by city residents and tourists. Father Jose Curuvachira, provincial, and his confreres received Father Galdazio Mendes, General Councillor for Social Communication in Dimapur Province, on 10 August 2022. The General Councillor met the province delegate and his team on 11 August, where the report of the social communication of Dimapur Province was shared. Communication, he said, has to do with whole body, the province. The networking of the communities will determine the progress of the use of social communication. We need to widen the concept of communication. While handicrafts and homemade crafts were once a source of livelihood for many, today only a few continue to do so, seeking to add an artistic and cultural touch to their handicrafts and link them to tourism. The Verze Craft Center, which operates within the Salesian Marianum Institute in Verze, has been connecting, supporting and promoting the craft heritage along the Mura River for years. In the spirit of the Salesian charism, it seeks to impart knowledge and values to the younger generation, thus educating not only about a profession and aptitude for work, but also encouraging young people to be creative and innovative. Young people are the main protagonists of the 6 films on craftsmanship along the walls, produced as part of the promotion of nature and culture tourism project. On the solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Salesians Jeremy Rignier Roxas and Jose Isidro Torres were ordained priests at the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Parañaque City. Presiding at the Mass was Archbishop Socrates Villegas, Metropolitan Archbishop of Lingayen Dagupan. The 2 new priests are a living testimony to the effectiveness of St. John Bosco's preventive system, as both studied in Salesian schools. So viewers, with that, you have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.